Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a big number that has been requested by many viewers. That is the Bigfoot. It's one of the better known numbers that is even bigger than Rayo's number. Similar to Rayo's number, it is based on an extended version of the language of the first order set theory, FOST for short. It was defined by this guy in October 2014 using his first order Udo theory, foot for short, which is a generalization and extension of the FOST. So foot is a simple but effective extension upon FOST, and is not considered a naive extension. It diagonalizes over a generalization of nth order set theory of arbitrary large n. So what is Bigfoot? So Bigfoot is defined as foot 10 of a Google, where foot n is the largest natural number that can be defined in the language of foot with at most n symbols. So foot a of n basically means foot n iterated for a number of times. So this one is equal to foot, a bunch of foot functions iterated a number of times. So that means there are a foot in here. And Bigfoot, again, is this thing over here. So basically, it means there are 10 foot function nested here. And the n here is 10 to the 100, which is a Google. So this is a very, very big number, much bigger than even Rayo's number. So foot is basically an Artman version of FOST. Thus, is not a naive extension. So what are some examples of naive extension? So for example, FOST a Google plus 1. So this is basically Rayo's number plus 1 because FOST 100 is equal to Rayo's number. So Rayo's number plus 1 is a naive extension. Same thing as Rayo's number plus 2. And here, 10 to the power of Rayo's number, again, even though it's much bigger, but still is a naive extension because you're not adding much to the original thing. It doesn't provide new meanings or new insight to it. So this one is basically Rayo's function, but instead of a Google, you put a Googleplex. Same thing, is a naive extension. And this one, same thing, Rayo's number to G64. This one, Rayo's number of 3, Rayo's number to the busy beaver of 100. Rayo's number, instead of just 1, you iterated Rayo's function for 10 times. And the last one, the last example, is like Rayo to the Google. So all of these would not be considered a new champion to dethrone Rayo's number. But this is, because this is not considered a naive extension. So just like Rayo's function and the busy beaver function, the foot n, so this foot function, is uncomputable. Therefore, it grows much faster than any computable functions, such as the Ackermann function, the tree function, and the SCG function, etc. So there we have it. This is my video on Bigfoot. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.